Hey guys, welcome back to Organic Essentials, where we make real food recipes. And today we're making homemade corn tortillas.
Go ahead and grab your Masa harina. This is the one that I like to use because the ingredients are super simple, just organic corn and lime. And then you want to boil 2 cups of water and go ahead and grab your sea salt. So in a large bowl, we're just going to add 2 cups of your Masa harina, half a teaspoon of sea salt, and then you want to slowly pour in your boiling water and stir. You may not use all 2 cups, okay? I used about 1 3/4 cups, but you want to have it just in case you need it. Stir until you get the right consistency, which is going to be firm, but not soupy and also not dry, okay? So just slowly pour it in and stir. All right, once you've reached the consistency, go ahead and grab a damp towel and cover the bowl and let it rest for an hour. Once it's done resting, now is a good time to go ahead and roll your balls. And those are going to be what we make into tortillas. So 1 to 2 inch balls is pretty good size for street tacos. And then we're going to put this in our tortilla press and press it down. I like to use parchment paper with my tortilla press just because it makes it easy to peel the tortilla off once it's done. If you don't have a press, you can totally just use a rolling pin or whatever you have just to roll it out as flat as you can, okay? So roll each at a time. And now we go ahead and move to the stove. So grab a skillet. You don't need to use any oil or anything, but just cook each tortilla about a minute on each side and just take your time. This is going to be so worth the patience. And sometimes I do add a little burger press to cook the tortillas evenly, but that's totally optional. Yeah, just take your time. Take it one at a time, however many fit in your skillet. And there you have it. Fresh, no preservatives, very delicious corn tortillas you can make at home.
All right, so our tortillas are done. We got about 17 of them and they're nice and golden. And we're gonna go ahead and do our taste test while they're hot. Cheers. Oh yeah. These will be so good. As tacos, you can make tostadas out of them, you can make tortilla chips out of these. It's awesome. You add a little bit of butter. I already know this is gonna be so good. All right, cheers. That right there. So easy to make. 2 ingredients, masa harina, sea salt, hot water. If you count hot water, that's 3, but so easy. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Again, it really helps out our channel. Check out our other videos. We've got some more recipes up here or up here. Eat well, be well, and I will see you next time.